Best deals.
1. Squeegee. Unique angled design for reaching nooks and corners. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sponge mop. The PVA head helps you absorb water quickly, and the sponge head is easy to install. Just align the tip of the card on the sponge head with the card slot to complete the installation. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spin mop and bucket. Features 2 separate compartments to keep clean and dirty water apart, so you are always mopping with fresh, clean water. The 360 degrees rotating mop head easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The square-shaped design is perfect for reaching hard-to-clean spots like wall edges and corners. The compact bucket size makes it easy to move wherever you need. Sleek design to fit into closets or small storage areas. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Floor cleaning mop. Includes a heavy-duty microfiber mop and a lightweight, angled plastic broom with dustpan. Ideal for complete dry and wet floor cleaning in Indian homes. Strong, rust-resistant rod that screws tight for full-length control and compact storage. Built for long-term use. Angled plastic broom with soft bristles, designed for daily sweeping with minimal wrist strain. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Window brush. Handle is made of high-quality PP material, ergonomic streamlined design, comfortable grip and durable. The mesh cleaner brush head is brushed with flannel, which is dense and soft, can penetrate into the gaps. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Brush. Designed in V-shaped stiff bristles, it is special for cleaning those hard-to-reach corners, cross-grout, gaps and crevice in bathroom. Brush can rotate 180 degrees at the pivot joint. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Floor mop. The 18-inch mop head covers more surface area, reducing cleaning time and effort. Built with sturdy materials for long-lasting use. Lightweight design with a comfortable grip handle for easy maneuverability. Both the original mop head and the extra refill are machine washable for convenient maintenance and reuse. Suitable for use on various floor types, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. The additional refill ensures you always have a clean mop head ready for use. The mop's design ensures that you can maintain cleanliness without direct hand contact with dirt or cleaning agents. 360-degree movement which allows you to clean every corner easily and effectively. Versatile cleaning. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Vacuum cleaner. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600W motor, paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology to provide exceptional power and performance in a compact design. With a strong suction capacity of over 20 kPa. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dusters. Perfect cleaning tool for hard-to-reach places. The long flat profile easily glides between and under kitchen. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Window cleaning kit. Features an extendable handle and pivoting head, making it easy to clean both the interior and exterior of your car's windshield and windows. No more straining to reach tough spots. Equipped with a 180 degrees swivel head, this auto glass wiper ensures complete glass contact. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Window cleaner. Achieve crystal clear glass and screens without residue or streaks. The 2-in-1 brush and squeegee lifts dust and grime while ensuring a polished, spotless finish. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cleaning floor mop. Extra large mop head is best for home, office, hotels and hospitals. It saves your time and efforts. No more dirty hands. The built-in squeezing mechanism lets you wring out water effortlessly, ensuring quick drying and hygienic cleaning. Designed to clean floors, walls, windows, roofs, and ceilings, all with one versatile tool. Perfect for both wet mopping and dry dusting. Clean tiles, marble, wood, or laminate with ease. 360 degrees swivel head. Reach every corner and edge effortlessly, including under furniture and tight spaces. Comes with one extra microfiber pad for superior absorption, lint-free cleaning, and long-term use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spin mop. Comes with big wheel and puller to easily carry the bucket around the house. Makes home cleaning effortless and easy, due to the patented triangle mop head and ability to rotate 180 degrees. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Wet flow mop. Has a ringing device, which can ring the sponge head easily. Just pull the plastic at the bottom of the handle up and down to squeeze out the water quickly and easily. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Scrub brush. Multi-surface brush tackles dirt and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete. 30 cm wide brush head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Wiper. The rubber of this flow wiper is made of good materials that ensure effective removal of dirt. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Feather duster. The microfiber head covers a large area. Bendable head can be shaped at any desired angle for you to clean small cracks that are difficult to reach in hidden places. The stainless steel handle is retractable and can easily be extended to a maximum length of 100. Super long duster extension rod can be extended to a high place for cleaning ceiling, lights, windows and other high places. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Duster. For daily use, keep your vehicle spotless with a high-quality duster, designed to act as a car brush for cleaning dust. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Spin scrubber. Cordless cleaning brush which helps to clean bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves effortlessly and quickly. You can adjust the length by easily rotating the handle and pulling it out. You can also remove and install the handle and extension rod. You can easily clean every corner of the house without having to bend over or kneel down. Electric spin scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. The default speed is high when the brush is started and press again to easily switch to low speed. The dual-speed design allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, eliminating the traditional manual cleaning and saving you valuable time. Product link is given in the 19th link.